if I put this on any other platform, they wouldn't know it was you.
Yeah.
They would just think you're talking about networking. So maybe let's do like you just saying, explaining again, Brands Anonymous likes to get involved in the community, and I like to do A, B, C, and D. So today I have been in a networking event, so introduce it like that.
And then you can say
Yes, you didn't mention the name of the group.
It's actually called the Week Sheet.
So just introduce yourself again, so that'll be your intro, yeah? So it's like, my name is, start like that.
It's Paul Adams from Branson Adams. At Branson Adams we do a lot of work in the community and like to get involved in the wider business at large, and part of this involves networking. We run 2 networking groups, one at the Wheatsheaf in Farnham called the Wheatsheaf Networking Group, where we collect money and aid to finish Tuckwell, and the second group is at Wings in Farnborough, where we meet once a month informally and discuss what's going on. So with the wider community at large, we deal with 2 networking groups and are working in collaboration with Jane Hardy for Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men, and I'm pleased that she's here with us today. We're sort of merging 3 things together because we've got the podcast, we've got Mike doing the video, and the idea is the video links in with it and ends up on our wall in the office, because we've got to do it very extreme now, and goes out on the website, and then we can tweet it out and we'll email it out to all our contacts, as you can on this one. We have 1 or 2 special networking events we do during the year, where Father Christmas and the Easter Rabbit tends to join groups, and indeed the Easter Bunny helped Jane out at one of her events at the Civic Hall Guildford.
Networking is just the start of your journey, really. So when you meet people at a networking event, always try and organise a cup of coffee with them afterwards and sit down and find out what you've got in common and how you can potentially collaborate. Networking, or as I like to call it, net winning, is work. It's not just a coffee or a breakfast social event. You're there to work, you're there to learn, and you're there to help inspire and motivate others, because that's what you'll receive at either of our networking events.
Jane's right, I'd be yourself, because you know why you're there, you have a clear reason for being there, you want to improve your business. It's not necessarily about selling, it's about getting to know people. People will sell on your behalf when they know you. We have clients who come from contacts at our networking events simply because somebody said, actually Paul runs a really good networking event, go and see him, and they come and see us, and we managed to do some work for them. But what I would say is, do not go to networking with the express thought that you're going to get more sales. Go with a more business development head on. I'm going to meet people, I'm going to learn things, and in some ways you can educate people as well.
That's absolutely excellent advice, Paul, and I'm 100% behind that. But the biggest step of all is, to any small business owner out there, just come along with an open mind, an open heart and a big smile, and don't forget your business cards and any literature, and we look forward to welcoming you soon and supporting you.